Hey guys, today I'll be doing the top 8 reasons why your koi are not growing in your pond. Pond's very murky because I've been doing tons of cleaning recently. So, don't judge me! So let's get right into it. Okay, so the number one reason that your koi are not growing is DNA. So as with humans, it is genetically determined how big a koi will grow. The only thing we can influence as koi owners is how fast and if the koi will reach its maximum length. So breeders in Japan work with bloodlines and breed with parent koi that they know. So they know what the offspring will be like and if it will reach the max length in the environment. So number 2 is space. Breeders in Japan have access to their mud ponds, and there they can let their koi grow very fast. The minimum ratio for a pond is 1 cubic meter of water per fish, but the ideal ratio is 3 cubic meters of water per fish. Do not fill your pond with too many fish and make sure to give them some room to grow. The number 3 is food. This is probably the most important growth factor that you can change directly for your koi. Never be cheap on koi food. Do not be fooled by high protein levels in food. Also, a koi can only absorb 35% of the protein it takes in, and the extra disappears as waste in your pond water. The result of too much food waste in the pond is foam on the top and discoloration of the water. Try and buy a koi food that is highly recommended, such as hikari or dashnite. I will go deeper on koi food in a later video. Number 4 is water values. Test your water every week or at high temperatures. Check it 2 times a week. You should be mostly checking for the acidity and minerals in the pond water. The most important water values for your pond are the pH level, KH level, and the GH level. You can buy testing kits for your water pretty much at any pet store or on the internet. Let's continue with number 5, which is water change and sufficient oxygen. One of the most underestimated growth factors is the presence of oxygen in fresh flowing water. Change at least 10% of the water each week and always provide enough oxygen. Koi can become ill or even die if you keep your oxygen levels low. The next reason your koi are not growing in your pond is temperature. Temperature in your pond is easily a factor that can change your koi's growth. Your koi will grow faster at a higher temperature. At 17 to 18 degrees Celsius, the energy is mainly put into the skin quality. At 22 degrees Celsius, the energy is mainly put into development in the body. And at 24 degrees or higher, we will mainly work on the length and growth of the koi. Just know that koi can lose their colour after long periods of high temperature. Also note that koi growth in their first few years of living is a lot faster than that of their older counterparts. Growing starts to slow down significantly at the age of 5. Number 7 is gender. It's just a known fact that female koi are bigger than men. Although, on the other hand, the skin quality of a male koi is much better than that of a female. So next time you buy a koi, ask about the gender. And the final one, number 8, is flow. People's opinions about the subject is quite divided, but ensure that there is plenty of flow in your pond. When a fish is active, it will grow faster and stay stronger. Okay guys, so that was my 8 reasons why your koi are not growing in your pond. If they don't seem to be or anything, do all of this and make sure to subscribe and watch my videos. So, goodbye.